G'day everybody, today I've got here the Microsoft Wireless 900 desktop keyboard and mouse combo kit, and we're going to go and have a look at what's inside the box. So it's meant to come with obviously the wireless keyboard and mouse, but let's check out what else is in here. So here we've got obviously keyboard and mouse, and underneath the keyboard looks like we've got our quick start guide / warranty, booklets and all that sort of thing. And we've got some batteries and our wireless receiver. So wireless receiver is a USB-A plug. It's not the smallest one I've seen, but it's not very big either, really. Then we've also got some AAA batteries, 2 of them, and over here 2 AA batteries. Over here on the right hand side is the mouse itself, and that's it. That's everything that comes in the box of the Microsoft Wireless 900 desktop set. So the mouse takes the AA batteries, and as you can see, it's just got that little switch there to switch it on once the batteries are inside. On the underside of the keyboard, you've got the legs, which are just a single height for adjusting the angle to your preference, and obviously the battery cover. Now this takes AAA batteries, 2 of them. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.